Hello and welcome to NetVital channel. Today I want to show you how we can create dynamic group in Azure Active Directory. Okay, first of all, we go to Azure Active Directory and we go to group and we can create new group. Okay, the group is Microsoft 365 and group name I choose marketing. I choose membership dynamic user and I add dynamic query. In query I choose, for example, job title, for example start with, and value I choose marketing. I save this query and I create the group and I refresh the page. It needs to wait 10 minutes or 15 minutes to apply all change. I refresh and as you can see, 2 users came here and this 2 user works in marketing department, and this group is a dynamic group, and when you create a member in Azure Active Directory with job title marketing, starting with marketing, and it comes here automatically. Another things, for example, we have a group and we want change group from assigned group to dynamic group. For this situation, we go to group that we have before. For example, here I choose group A and you can see this group is assigned, and I want to change this group to a dynamic group. And I go to properties and change membership to dynamic, and also we need to add a query. For this group, I choose again job title, but this time I choose not to start with marketing. And I save and yes. Okay. We have to wait around 5 or 10 minutes, and after that I refresh and you can see it is created with dynamic query, and now we have all members that job title not start with marketing. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to help us to make more video. Thanks and have a good day.